What is up, everyone? Scotty Hop here. Today we got another project with the Corvette. It's been a while. This thing has been neglected and it's time to give it some love. As you can tell, we no longer have a front lip. Unfortunately, it flew off when we were going around 55 miles an hour, so the brackets that we made, they didn't hold up, and that front lip is somewhere on the side of the freeway. So that flew off, but thankfully we ordered another front lip. This one I like the design a lot more. It's already painted black too, gloss black. I didn't like the other front lip that we had. Like I said in the video when I installed it, it looked kind of like Jay Leno's chin, and it was just a bad look for it. So I'm kind of happy that it flew off. So we're gonna put on the new front lip. I also got some extended ZR1 style side skirts with these little mud flap things. So should look pretty nice on the Vette, especially with the darker red color. Yeah, we got a whole bunch of projects coming for the Vette. The Jaguar actually runs, so I got to do a video on that now too. It's not perfect, but it's way better than it was before. So that's another video coming up. So plans for the Vette: we got front lip, side skirts. We also got new tires because these tires are destroyed. These are the run flats that came with it, so I'm excited to replace that. We got some new tires back there to throw on. Brand new tires, stickers still on them and everything. And I can't wait for the grip. So let's get this install started. It should be pretty easy. They included the mounting hardware and all that good stuff. I'll include a link in the description of where I bought it from. It was from eBay, but EOS is actually a decent brand. So I'm excited to see how the fitment is and how the car will look, especially with side skirts on. So let's get the car jacked up. We're gonna put the front lip on first and then the side skirts. All right, you guys, I found a little tip. So they got some pre-installed like holes already put into it. I was trying to line it up, make sure that it was like perfectly straight with the nose, and it was a pain in the butt. Excuse the super bright lighting, but so what we got going on, I got two little bolts right here. I recommend getting those ones in first and then work your way around because that'll line it up perfectly with the side of the bumper. So now we're just going to screw it all in and bolt what we can. And it should look pretty good. I mean, it's super dirty right now, but I'll clean it up once I'm done. The front lip is on. It looks way better than it did before, especially with that other lip that we had. Installation was pretty straightforward. Here's the lip right here. Looks pretty sick. I mean, it doesn't go out nearly as far as that last lip we had. It was pretty straightforward to put on. I'll get under there and show you all how to do it. So, like I said, I'm sure if you read the instructions, it'll tell you the same thing. I did not read the instructions, so you just attach like the bolts first on each side, and it kind of like lines it up, because I was using tape and stuff to kind of hold it in place, and it was super hard. But if you just line up the bolts, it makes installation a lot easier. And then there's not enough screws, so what I did like every other one. I'm gonna buy some more screws just so this doesn't fly off, but looks pretty solid. Of course, my paint is all messed up, but that's pretty good. All right, time for the side skirts. All right, it's time to put the side skirts on. You have to take out the rear wheel because it comes with these little flaps. I recommend putting these flaps on first, and then you can line up the side skirt to the flap. I'm also gonna clean out the inside down here once we put this on because it is nasty down here. I haven't cleaned the wheel wells since we did the brakes. I think the beginning of this year or last year. It's been a while, so looks pretty bad. But all right, same thing. We're just gonna put this flap on first and then put the side skirt on underneath with the mounting hardware that came with the kit. They're just these little screws. So let's get to it. Gotta put on the side skirts. They look pretty freaking awesome. I can't wait to see it in the light because obviously it's dark and it's only like noon right now. But there they are. They're not overly aggressive, which I like. Just a nice little subtle change. It's super easy, you guys. Like, I could hardly even make a video about this because all you're doing is drilling holes and screwing them in underneath. So it was super easy. The only thing I recommend for the side skirts is start with this top one because that'll align this mud flap piece. And then you can align the side skirt to that. But looks super nice, especially with that front lip. But can't really tell because it's so dark out. So tomorrow when it's light out, I'm gonna pull the car out, I'm gonna get it super clean and show you guys what it looks like. All we need is some sun. Boom! All right, got to make this quick. My battery's about to die, but we put on the front lip and the side skirts for the Vette. It looks way better than it was before. Look at that. We got the gloss black. Super stoked with how this came out. Just super easy to put on as well. I know I'm saying super a lot. I messed up right here though. This is why you need a buddy. See that little gap? I'll make it a little bit tighter, but it should come out okay. But yeah, I'm super excited with how this came out. It looks freaking awesome. The base model Corvette, but it's looking meaner by the day. Look at that. Whole different look now. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We got a couple more mods coming for the Vette, some vinyl wrapping, and we're gonna lower it eventually with the new tires, so I'm excited for that. But yeah, I give the EOS front lip and side skirts a thumbs up. The fitment was on point. The finish was a little bit iffy, about a 7 out of 10. I got the gloss black one and there's a couple blemishes, but we're gonna wrap it anyways. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.